me at serial 650.500.436.10.2. Got the chamber open on this one already, and we'll take a look at the hours on this one. And this one has 15,444 hours. Cutting chamber, screen, blades pretty free spinning, blades in overall pretty good shape. A little bit of a nick here or there, but look pretty good. And clear, no obstructions, free spinning, so it looks good there. We've got our green light on showing that we could open the chamber. So this one actually has additional controls for the blower, and we'll go ahead and close it up and turn it on. All right, we've got this one all put back together. Got the conveyor in place, hooked up. So we'll go ahead and start this one up. This one's got a little bit of plastic still inside it. And start the conveyor up. And the belt looks pretty good in this one. All the edges look pretty good. All in all, looks like a pretty good machine.